Friends, welcome to my channel. So today's topic is sight words, subject English for class kindergarten. So this is a language art for the KG class. So first is objectives. Students will recognize and read common sight words. Students will be able to use sight words in simple sentences. Next, teaching aids. So first is flashcards with sight words. Example, the, and, is, you, it, in. Sight word chart, pocket chart, and some sentence strips. So for introduction, warm up activity, you can sing a simple sight word song to the tone of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star. Like, for example, sight words we can see in our books and on TV. They are words we cannot sound, but they help us get around. So, let's just read it once again. Sight words we can see in our books and on TV. They are words we cannot sound, but they help us get around. So you can use this simple sight word song for the warm-up activity. Next is discussion. So introduce the concept of sight words by explaining that these are words they will see often in books and on signs. Emphasize that knowing these words will help them become faster readers. Now for instructions, flashcard review. So you can show flashcards of the sight words, say each word aloud, and have the students repeat after you. Go through each word 2-3 times. So one by one, show flashcard of the sight words and say each word aloud and ask students to repeat after you 2-3 times. Next is word recognition, in which you can display a sight word chart on the board. Ask students to come up one by one and point a word they recognize. Praise and encourage participation. So you can use chart of the sight word and you can display on the board and ask students to come one by one and point a word they recognize. Now we can use the activities, pocket chart activity, in which place several sight words in a pocket chart. Then call an individual students to find specific sight words from the chart. As a group, form simple sentences using the sight words. Example, the cat is on the mat. So you can do this pocket chart activity. Next is whiteboard writing. So you can distribute small boards. It could be white or blackboard of a small board and markers to each student, or you can give chalk and say a sight word and have the students write it on their boards. So you will say some sight words and students will write on the board with the marker or with a chalk. Next is reading time. Give students a simple book or reader that contains many of the sight words they have practiced. Okay, so you can give students to read some to read to read the book which contains many of these sight words, and else they can point it out also. Worksheet. So provide students with a worksheet where they trace and write sight words and include a simple sentence where they circle the sight words. So you can give these two worksheet. Now for the closure, go over the sight words again using the flashcards. Ask the class to say each word aloud as a group. So you can show one by one sight word by using flashcard and ask students to say that sight word. Next, last is homework. So for homework, you can ask students to learn and write some of these sight words. Thank you. Kindly like this video and subscribe my channel.